How many photos are you adding to your listings? 5, 6, 10? Well, it doesn't really matter if you don't take the right photos. Hi, I'm Stephanie with Queens Resell. I am a full-time reseller and I am here sharing my reselling tips and tricks on this happy little corner of the internet. And friends, in this short video, I'm going to share with you 3 money shots that you must have. Now, it's great to have a variety of photographs. It lends credibility to your item and it's going to increase that buyer confidence. So don't skimp on the photos, but if you don't take the right photos, you could still end up having your item sit or fielding a lot of questions, or even worse, getting a return. So let's start with the photos that I think are essential to every listing. So photo number 1, of course, is a full front shot. Whether it's on a hanger, a mannequin, or a flat lay, you need to have this photo on a clear background, free of distractions, and it needs to show the entire shape and length of the item. So arms and everything from head to toe of the garment. The reason that you want this is because this is what's going to stop the scroll. If a buyer can't instantly understand the silhouette of the item, they're going to scroll on past. So make sure you nail it with photo number 1. Photo number 2. Now, money shot photos here. Now, I'm saying the tag, the size tag, and fabric content tags. Now, oftentimes people leave these out, and what you want from these tags is clarity. You don't want people asking you a bunch of questions or answering the authenticity, because you are busy and important and you want to sell stuff, but you don't want to field a bunch of unnecessary questions that could be answered by good photos. So that brand tag, the size tag, and the fabric content if it's available. Got it? And then money shot number 3, a close-up of condition. No matter how many photos that you take, people are going to ask you things that just can't be answered in a photo. Like, do you think this could fit a person with thick thighs? I don't know. I can't see you. But you can rule out any other questions, like by showing flaws, the texture, the wear, the details. Think about garments in those highly worn areas. If the crotch of those Lululemon leggings is peeled, go ahead, snap a photo of it and include it in the listing. That way you're covered twice. Transparency sells and surprises do not. In fact, they get returns. You want to be honest about the quality and condition of the product, and people understand whether it's excellent pre-owned or fair or whatever condition it is, and people will still buy it. They just want you to be honest about it and they don't want to feel tricked. Like I said, a variety of photos is important to building trust with the buyer, but you definitely need to have these 3 money shots. Otherwise, you're going to end up fielding a bunch of questions and possibly having a return on an item because the customer didn't feel like it was described well. Let me know down in the comments below what other photographs you think are absolutely imperative to the listing, and let's get listing and grow our reselling businesses together in 2026. Be sure to hit all of the buttons, and I'll see you in the next one, friends.